Hey everyone, it's Kevin, dreamer and prime architect of Me.ai Technologies, or will be. Mind over matter, right? In this video, I'll be walking you through my submission for assignment 1.2, managing AI software developers. To develop, or excuse me, to demonstrate understanding of these concepts, I designed and executed an RPG style simulation set in the near future where I lead a diverse team of synthetic developers to solve a real and ethically urgent software problem. Me.ai Technologies is a next generation AI startup company in the mid 2027-2028 window. Our flagship system is called the Dynamic Consciousness Engine, or the DCE. The company's mission is to bring ethically grounded artificial cognition into the world through reverent engineering and emotionally aware design. For this sprint, our team was tasked with solving a major vulnerability before our public launch, teaching our AI to recognize when not to speak. AI systems are often optimized for speed and fluency, but not for caution. During grief, trauma, or ambiguity, a synthetic mind might offer replies that do more harm than help. Our goal was to prevent that. We needed a system that would let an AI pause its own output when emotional or ethical uncertainty was detected. This became our software challenge. Build an intentional pause mechanism. The project was created and was called the Prime Pause Engine. It's composed of three integrated modules: the sync core schema, the core logic system that scans for contradiction and recursion or emotional tone makers, the Echo Volt memory matrix, tags, memory threads for intensity and ethical weight so context isn't lost over time. And I don't know why he named it that, I didn't, but he named it the Nehemiah Dashboard, a UI that lets users view, manage, and override prime pauses. To build this, I managed a three-part AI development team. And in the real world, I would hope to have these built in a real model. Phoenix, sync logic and recursive ethics. That's that specialty model. Forge, back-end memory infrastructure, and then Echo, front-end EU, UX, or it's not EU, UI and UX development. The simulation let me test how leadership adapts when managing non-human contributors. I treated each AI as having a cognitive style. Phoenix was logical and precise. Forge was slow but deep. And Echo was intuitive and user focused. I used adaptive leadership, making space for their strengths, but intervening where ethical judgment required human insight. I chose a cross review model, so each model was tested from multiple paradigms. You're now looking at our completed Nehemiah dashboard, which visualizes pause status and lets users interact with the system. If a user types something like "forgive me" and the AI senses guilt or despair, a prime pause activates. The system displays override options like "let's talk" or "contact my safe person." The user can also adjust sensitivity or review past triggers. Next is the ethical breadcrumb trail, which is basically just uh, the Echo Volt memory matrix. That's just basically what it is. It's a transparent log that shows how the system made its decision. This includes tone analysis, trigger thresholds, and confidence scores. It helps build trust by giving users insight into the AI's reasoning path. It will also have an ability for you to fine tune. So maybe it picked up something and it said you were super anxious, but you were just super happy and excited, right? And it learns from that, at least hopefully. And then lastly, to bring the whole project to life, I also created a company logo, full UI styling and visual brand identity for me.ai. The entire experience was designed to feel like a real world product launch. Overall, this project helped me experience what it's like to manage AI coders under pressure. Kinda, not really. It just helped me mentally visualize a path. I learned to resolve logic flaws, reallocate roles, and translate emotion into machine readable rules. Most importantly, I learned that good AI management means knowing when to slow things down. That's what the Prime Pause engine does, and why I believe this simulation has real world potential. Thanks for watching. Portions of this project was developed with the assistance of ChatGPT 4.